Hi there, my name is Matt, and if you're watching this video, it's highly likely that you've just become an owner of one of these. It's the DUKE10 tenor size banjo ukulele from the DUKE Banjo Ukulele Company in New Zealand. Now, you'll notice as you bring it out of the box that this happens. Okay, yes, you will be disappointed, but it's perfectly normal because the DUKE Banjo Ukulele Company ship the instrument with the bridge detached, and there's a good reason for that. That's to protect the banjo head and also actually the bridge in transit. So don't worry, it's not broken, and I'm going to show you on this video how to put the bridge and the instrument together. What you'll need is a bridge, and you'll also need a ruler, and you'll also need a pencil. Okay, so let's make a start. So the object of this exercise is to work out where the bridge is meant to be in relation to the banjo head. Other parts of the ukulele we're interested in are the 12th fret and also the nut. Now we'll work out where the bridge is meant to be because the bridge should end up being equidistant to the 12th fret as the nut is. Okay, so essentially, to simplify that, the distance between the nut and the 12th fret should be the same as the distance between the 12th fret and the bridge. So this is why we need our ruler, and what we're going to do is I'm going to keep the numbers this side. Okay, so I'm going to start at the 12th fret here. Now you can count down if you want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. But the instrument makers have made it easy for you. Like with most ukuleles, you have a fret marker with your 12th fret lying just underneath it. Okay, so your lowest marker there is your 12th fret marker. So I'm going to go to the centre of the fretboard and I'm going to measure up to the nut, which is just almost bang on 21.5 centimetres. So I'm just going to mark that there. Okay. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this down to the 12th fret. Okay, and just place that over there so that we can see where we're meant to be. So if you have a look down here, at the end of the ruler, just score a line in between the strings. Okay, and that's our marker for where the bridge needs to go. So we've measured the distance from the nut to the 12th fret, and just to recap, we're going to be measuring where I've marked on the ruler. Okay, and you'll remember that I put a pencil mark at the end of the ruler. Okay, all we need to do at this point is to then put the bridge over that mark, and we do this very simply by gently putting the bridge underneath the strings. Don't worry, you can't do any damage. Okay, just bring the bridge down to that pencil mark, and then we're going to just elevate it, put it upright on there, and you'll notice there's 4 little grooves on the bridge. That's where the string should sit, so we're just going to guide those in like so. So we are ready, I think, to tune up and see how this instrument sounds. Okay, so there we have it. Our banjo uke is ready to go. Enjoy.